Welcome to part 19.
Hola. So this week we have we've been here, there, everywhere.
We have.
Start of the week, we had power cut. I'm gonna tell you more about it.
Which was mental.
Which was a bit crazy.
And then
we
went to stay in a beautiful villa.
Yeah, a very beautiful villa.
Villa Damai.
Which we'll show you more of, one of our friends' villas. And then now we're somewhere else, which we'll show you next week, because it's Rebecca's birthday. But that'll be in next week's episode, part 20.
Well, it was my birthday yesterday, and I had the best birthday I've ever had in my life.
And now we're chilling here in this wonderful place. So enjoy. A bit different the last couple of days. In that we've had a big power cut. The whole of Bali has got no electricity. So last night we ended up staying in a hotel. The only place that got electricity is places that have got generators. Wild. It was all a bit exciting last night. We had to try and find a hotel, because then everyone wants to go to hotels because it's way too hot to stay in your villa because it's roasting. Anyway, the electricity came back on, and then we thought it was all good, and then the electricity's just gone off, and then we've gone to speak to other people and they think it's the same. The issue hasn't been resolved. So now, last night we didn't go to hotels until about 9 o'clock at night. So I thought, let's go now, so there's no rush. And I think other people will be doing the same. But I feel like we're going on a little holiday. Got 2 nappies left for Sunny. Anyway, we'll take you with us. So we've gone to the hotel that we stayed at last night to see if they've got any any rooms available tonight. But I think they're full. They did say that they would be full tonight. I don't really know what to do. Just got to drive to all the little hotels. No, the big hotels who have got generators. The little hotels don't have generators, so. Anyway, Hotel 1, let's see if we get any luck. Billie's also fast asleep. Doing my legs. Huh? Second hotel. Oh really? What do you think? Generator problems. Oh. So, somewhat of emergency over. The electricity's back on. Yeah, we're going to get a high chair.
That's my high chair.
It is a high chair, they're just washing it. Yeah, the electricity's back on, so we're going to go back to our villa. And Sunny's. After all that. But we're just going out for a nice meal. What are we going to have? Pesto pasta. Oh, come to this lovely place called La Baracca. I'll show you around. Have you had a good day? What did you do today? Tell everyone what you did today. Oh, terima kasih. Oh, it's Billy's chair, Billy's high chair. Terima kasih. Do you want to use that? You go hello. Tell everyone what would you
I want the butter. Hello.
Don't want to put it in the mouth. Yeah, that's it. Be talking it. Go. Do your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1,
All the way to 10. 1,
4,
2.
5.
Another thing that happened this week is my auntie was here. Well, my mum's best friend, we pretty cool Auntie Lorraine, Uncle Mitch. And we went to the temple, the Uluwatu temple, which is really famous.
We haven't actually been there.
And we've never been. Well, we have been
but
years ago.
Years ago, but since living here the last 2 years, we've never been. So we thought we'd jump on the opportunity of people being here to go on a tourist day.
And it was amazing, but something really emotional happened. A monkey, do you want to tell everyone? Billy's here, but she doesn't want to tell everyone. A monkey stole Billy's very special bracelet from her grandpa that grandpa got from Sri Lanka, gave it to her in Singapore. And it was
so sad.
She was very
we saw
sad.
it happen, it was like slow-mo, this monkey. Tom was carrying Billy, and there's monkeys everywhere. And we were walking through this tight little alleyway. And then the monkey just saw the bracelet and just swiped it from Billy's ankle.
Oh, it was horrible. But what we will show you, obviously we didn't get that video, but what we will show you is the morning after we had monkeys turn up at our villa, and then Billy was
because we said, oh, don't
asking.
worry, the monkey will come and return it tomorrow, don't worry.
Monkey, I want my face around me. Monkey, I want my face on I want my bracelet, please. I want my bracelet, please.
What did they say? Did they have it?
No. Please have it.
There's a monkey up there.
Monkey, I want my bracelet up. Oh no. Let the monkey go.
Morning everyone, morning everyone. Morning everyone. Billy's at school today and me and Tom are just packing up because we're doing something very special today for a Monday, something different. We're moving to another villa. We're going to be there for 2 nights. So we'll show you around when we get there. Say bye, Sonny. Bye, Sonny. Billy, where are we?
My home.
My home. So we are currently staying at a beautiful villa called Villa Damai. Villa Damai, which means
You pronounced it right.
peace in Bahasa. And it's you can hold it. It's beautiful here.
Tell us a story, Billy.
Don't bite it because it's a microphone, Billy.
No, don't bite it, please.
What's that noise?
It's a thunder.
Yeah, this is the first time it's rained. Okay, the storm has now stopped in true Bali fashion. So when it's not rain season, no, it's part 19. Is it 19 or 18? We'll soon find out. So in true Bali fashion, It rains for a little bit, and then the sun comes out. So this is the villa, by the way. It's absolutely beautiful. Sonny's having his first morning nap. Me and Billy are playing cards, Yoto, and we were just having a chat, weren't we? We're having a deep, meaningful conversation. Oh yeah, Billy, you made a train, didn't you? Made a train out of your cards. Do you want to hold that?
Yeah.
And speak into it like a microphone. Like, you don't have to hold it next to your mouth. Just put it there, yeah.
Home.
Billy, how old are you?
2.
And where are you from?
Bali.
Bali. And you're actually from England.
Work out.
Oh, you're working out. Oh, working out. Fitness with Billy Lola. Nice. Billy, what does Daddy do in the mornings? Is that what he does? What else does he do? He does yoga. Aww. What else does he do? What else does he do? Does he go like that?
One, two, three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So do that again. Come here then. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I hope you enjoyed it this week. And we'll see you next week.
See you next week. Next week will be our 20th.
Whoa.
I'm going to be showing you where we are. It's pretty special.
So special.
See you later.
Bye.